Alrighty guys, good morning. How you guys doing today? Today I'm actually starting my day off with a little bit of work. I got my little girl with me, and yeah, so I have to yesterday actually I was super busy trying to get this dump truck that I'm taking to the auction to sell, and trying to get it started and just back up and running and stuff, looking for the title. It was just a big mess all last night and all of yesterday pretty much, but finally got it all done. So I'm going to meet one of my guys right now at my yard, and I'm going to be following him. I was going to take it, but since I have my little girl with me, I'm going to have him drive it, and then I'll be giving him a ride back. We just left the coffee shop, but let's just get started with today. Dude, I'm really hoping the truck starts because I had left the battery charging, and when I checked it right now, it was like it had like failed or something. So I hope that I put it back to charge, and the voltage was kind of low, but I think we can do like an engine start, and then maybe the drive there will help out. And if not, I don't know what to do. The truck needs to be there before 12 o'clock. It's already 10:30, so I only have an hour and a half to do all of this. As always, shit never goes as planned. This thing won't start. I have the jumper cables on it. I have a battery charger on it, trying to get this thing to start. Dude, literally, like, just got it started finally. Like, he ended up going to get one of my forklifts and taking it through the yard, and it was a huge mess. Had to connect my truck, 2 battery chargers, and the forklift, all of them. It was a nightmare. It was a freaking headache, just like yesterday. And for some reason, I just had the feeling that this was going to happen again, and it was not going to work this morning. And of course, that's my luck. That's how it always goes. But we're finally on our way, and it's actually 11:59, and I'm like probably, I'd say maybe like 5 minutes away from there, but he's following me, so there he is right there in the dump truck. And yeah, so if you guys don't know where I'm taking this is going to the Ritchie Brothers auction, which is like, I want to say the biggest like equipment auction there is, and the biggest one is actually right now, like this Friday, because I don't know if you guys have ever heard of the World Ag Expo. That is actually, you can actually probably see it from here. So yeah, I pretty much live by the World Ag Expo. Yeah, babe?
I got a message.
You got a message on your iPad?
Yeah.
Who is it?
Dad,
Huh?
is this my message?
Oh yeah, that's your messages. She has her iPad, and everybody has her like email address, so you can like FaceTime her and send her text messages and stuff, and she always gets super excited whenever she gets new messages. She'll like try to text back, but obviously you can't. Yeah.
That's from Nanny Boo.
That was Nanny Boo. Oh, she sent you hearts. That's cool, huh? But anyways, like I was saying, the World Ag Expo is here, and it's actually started today, so it's already open. I was there yesterday, just had to go do some stuff with my brother for the Harlow forklift company, and that was pretty much it. But the reason why I was talking about the World Ag Expo is because that brings in literally people from around the world to come to the World Ag Expo. And so after the World Ag Expo, they go to this big farm equipment auction, and everybody buys stuff and sends it to wherever they live. So it's pretty cool. That's where you make the most money, selling your equipment that you just don't use anymore. Like this dump truck has not been used for a while. That's why it's going here, and hopefully I make good money on it on Friday, but we don't know yet, so we'll see. I could lose, I could win, I don't know. We'll see what happens, but you gotta take that risk. So yeah, enough talking, dude. We gotta get driving. All right, so I'm just pulling up to the auction. You guys can see here, well, kinda, not really, because I'm on the north side of it, but it's literally jam-packed with okay, yeah, so we're on the right spot. I just texted the guy to see what side I bring it in from. But as you guys can see though, like there's literally equipment everywhere. Like this is nothing. And then that barn you see over there, that's where they do the live auction, and then you can also watch it online, and you can bet online, and you can literally do it all online. It's so dope. It's pretty cool. You can literally find any piece of farm equipment, trucks, trailers, I mean anything. There's excavators, there's literally everything you can find here. So it's pretty dope. I got my guy right here following me, and got to give him a ride back because he's got to go back to work. He's got to go back to the lemons. We're actually harvesting lemons today, and that's where this driver's gonna go right after here. I actually have another truck here. It's somewhere in there. I wouldn't be able to tell you. I can tell you that it's probably right there with those trucks. I think I can kind of see, maybe not, maybe, I don't know, but I have another truck here that should be selling on Friday, so I'll have both of these selling.
Dad, is your truck in there?
What, babe?
Isn't your truck in there?
Yeah, there's another truck in there.
Yours?
Yeah,
But where is it?
it's in there. It's gonna be sold. It's gonna be gone.
What does it look like?
It's a white Freightliner.
Ooh, Dad.
Huh.
Wait, Dad. This
What?
is your new white one?
Yeah.
Oh.
There he goes. This truck was already registered, so he was able to take it in a little bit early, or before all of these guys that are waiting in line. So I'm just gonna wait for my driver, and then we're gonna get going. But there's literally like I wouldn't even be able to tell you how many. There's thousands of pieces of equipment though here. It's insane.
Can you go, Dad?
You want me to roll cool? Okay.
Can you blow smoke?
Yeah, we blew smoke. Not a lot, but we did.
Can I see?
You want to see some more smoke?
I didn't see from your window.
Literally just got home a little bit ago. We ended up having to come home, get Sydney ready for dance class, and then me and Boss right here. Boss, what's going on, dude? What are you hearing? Hear a bunch of birds. So me and Boss actually ended up going to get food for him to one place, and they didn't have it, and so we had to drive to the next town over and get it at the next town. Dude, it's so annoying. But he has to be like on the specific food. That's like literally the only food he can be on. Look at him. Stance. Dope. Look at the stance. No, he thinks I'm gonna come down and pet him. So I ended up taking the truck and all that, and then I ended up getting a call saying that I forgot to leave the title, which I know it's stupid of me, but whatever. So I have to go tomorrow and take the title, and I think that I'm just going to end up changing the batteries on that thing, because they're not. I don't think they're gonna be able to jump it. It just took so much just to jump start it today. So on Friday they're gonna have problems with it, and I just don't want that. I want them to just get rid of it. I want it to be running and stuff so people can actually pay some money for it. And what else was I gonna cover? Think that is gonna be it. I will probably be driving the Viper tomorrow. It did get too late. I did want to drive it today to take it to get smogged, but like I said, it's too late. The smog shop's closed already. So we will be doing that tomorrow. Dude, check out this view though. This is like this is why I live up here, dude. It is so amazing up here. Truly blessed to be able to live up here, dude. I just love living up here. Seriously. Anyways, guys, I want to thank everybody that has been subscribing. I truly appreciate it. Like, I really honestly don't even know how to tell you guys thank you. But I will soon, I promise you guys. For everybody that has not subscribed, you guys smash that subscribe button. Like Squad, as always, smash that like button, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.